Hello everyone, I welcome you all to the e-classroom of Khadaria. In this session, we'll see about the topic is vitamins. Vitamins are required for carrying out various biochemical reactions in our body. Fruits, vegetables, grains, meat products are good sources of vitamins. Vitamins are called as protective food. There are 6 major vitamins A, B, C, D, E and K. Vitamins B and vitamin C are water soluble. Vitamin A, D, E and K are fat soluble. First we'll see about vitamin A. Where we get vitamin A means it will get in fish oil, egg, milk, ghee, carrot, corn, yellow fruits and greens. Diseases we get it deficient in this is night blindness. What are the symptoms of vitamin A? Poor vision, difficulty in seeing in dim light. Next is vitamin B. Found abundantly in whole grains, unpolished rice, milk, fish, meat, lentils and green vegetables. What are the diseases we get deficient in vitamin B is beriberi. The symptoms is like nervous weakness and fatigue. Beriberi is nothing but the skin, all our skin gets rashes. Next we'll see about vitamin C. Vitamin C foods like oranges, gooseberries, green chili, tomato. Diseases we get if deficient in vitamin C is scurvy, which is bleeding gums. Next we'll see vitamin D. Vitamin D foods like fish oil, milk and eggs. It is also made it our skin using sunlight. Diseases we get it deficient in this is rickets. You can see here in this picture. This is how the rickets look like. What are the symptoms? Which is weak and flexible bones. Next is vitamin E. Vitamin E we get it from vegetable oils, green vegetables, whole wheat, mango, apple and greens. Diseases we get it deficient in this vitamin E is nervous weakness, dimming of eyelids. What are these symptoms? Childlessness, lack of resistance power to illness. Next is vitamin K. Found abundantly in green vegetables, tomato, cabbage, eggs, milk products. Diseases we get if deficient in vitamin K is weakness of the bones and teeth, etc. Symptoms is even a small cut bleeds profusely. Thank you.